files a memo for withdrawal of the bail application disposed of for withdrawal. Yes.
Item 140 minutes. Can it be taken today? Item 140 minutes.
We go serially.
My lord, 147 item. Your lordship, I am coming for the CRLA number. My sub item ଅଛି 997 of 997 by 24 ଏକୁଟେଲ ଏଗେନଷ୍ଟ ମୁଁ ଆସିଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା ହେଲେ ଏଥିରେ କଣ ସେମାନେ ବେଲ୍ ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିଲେ କିନ୍ତୁ ତଳ କୋର୍ଟରେ ସେଟା ଏକୁଟେଲ ହେଇଗଲେ କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ କେସରେ ଟ୍ୟାଗ ଅଫ୍ ହେଇକି ଆସିଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଟା ଆସାଇନମେଣ୍ଟ ବେଞ୍ଚଟା ହେଉଛି 22 ନମ୍ବର କୋର୍ଟର
When the matter reaches, we will see that. Yes.
Pardon me, my lord. CRLA 124 kindly taken up today.
Why?
Because it is accused in custody 5.5 years.
These other accused persons who have filed the bail.
No, he is one accused.
No, the other bail application which has been listed today before me, they are outside.
No.
Why special preference will be given to your case?
Sorry.
Yes.
Supplemental list, item number 1.
Please, Your Honor. Your Honor, item number 1, item number 52 and 52, I'm seeking a small passover as the main counsel, Raja Panda, is in court number 16. So I'm seeking a small passover. My lord, please.
Item 2.
Item 1, item 52 and 54 are of same.
Yes, item 2.
Item 2 matters. Offense under section 3095 and 311 matters. The allegation of 6,000 rupees. The unknown accused persons have taken the 6,000 rupees from the pant pocket of the.
What is the corresponding provision of the IPC?
394 matters. Attempt to commit robbery, my lords, and this is a traveler magistrate first class and 7 years matters, and also 309 also robbery. And petition is
309.
Matters 3095.
309. 6 is there in the FIR register. So it corresponds to 3095 means 393. And 311. 311 it corresponds to 397. Robbery or docaity with armed with one. So yes.
Petition is a student, my lords, and the allegation of taken away the 6,000 rupees from the pant of pocket of the informant, my lords. And petition has no criminal antecedent. Petition is a student of Khoprakol Panchayat College, my lords. And petition is in custody, my lords. For 2024 minors and tribal law magistrate first class minors.
FIR you have been named.
FIR minors, yes, minors. FIR named accused persons minors.
Yes, Mr.
161 also there.
No. Or the learning council for the petitioner learned council for the state. The learned council for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is in judicial custody since
4/9/2024 minors.
4/9/24 and is aged about 19 years and a student of +2 second year. And this offense is triable by magistrate, as you said,
Registered first class minor.
311.
Minors.
Let us see that.
Court of Session as per the new,
That is because
as per the
311 is Court of
Court of
Session.
Session. Court of Session.
No, why it is sorry? Why are you not verifying? We are all accustomed to IPC, but once you are dealing with this
Pardon,
BNS, so you have to be under this Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita, you should be extra careful. Don't make a wrong submission in court.
pardon.
And the investigation has made substantial progress, and therefore the bail application may be favorably considered. And counsel for the state opposed the prayer for bail. Considering the submission made by the London counsel for the respective parties, the age of the petitioner, the fact that he is a student, and taking into account the period of detention and progress of investigation, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Item 3.
Mr. Rahul, that I am submitting matter. Offense under section 20B2C and custody since 29 January 2024 matter. That sheet already submitted. The call for the city and status report of the trial.
20B2C 583 kg of ganja.
Merit.
How do you get over that 37 of the NDPS Act to get bail?
Status of the trial.
No, this this is 2024 matter, and when old cases are pending, it is not expected that your case will be given preference and will be taken off.
City may be called for.
You have not got the case diary.
Okay.
Run counsel for the state takes some time to produce the case diary, put up this matter. Yes.
Item number 4.
May I please, your lord, sir? I am through VC, my lord. Case under section 376(2).
Asu?
Item number 6.
Asu?
Item 7.
May I please? Alleged offense matter 69 of the BNS petitioner is in custody manner 29/9/24. Lordship down to page 10. Charge sheet submitted in the meantime, my lord, on 24/9/24. A mail.
69 is a new section added.
Yes, sir.
Court of session.
Will be proposed by the king in Court of Sessions. That about 30 years, my lord. Lordship down to page 10.
Just a minute. Provision has been inserted to for those decisions of the Honorable Supreme Court, also various high courts, that if there is a promise to marry to a woman who is a major, and with such promise this relationship is there, then that would not be rape. So to nullify this provision is there, that if you make a promise to marry a woman, but you have no intention to fulfill the same, and have the sexual intercourse, then which may not amount to offense of rape,
Yes.
but you will be punished under this section. That would be punishment is of 2 to 10 years. So have you got the statement of the victim?
Victim statement not
of this
Or
affair
lodge the FIR? What's he has stated?
is seen, madam.
Yes.
ବିବେକ ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକ ନାମକ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ମୋ ସହିତ ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ମୁଁ 4 ବର୍ଷ ହେବ ମୋ ସହିତ ସମ୍ପର୍କ ରଖିଅଛି 15/7/2000
What is the age of the victim?
30 years. Next,
Okay.
ମୁଁ 30 ବର୍ଷ.
Kept violent.
Custody manner 29/9/24. Charge sheet submitted 24/9/24.
What are the offences under which charge sheet submitted?
69 of BNS.
Are the law and counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the law and counsel for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 29/9/2020. Charge sheet has been submitted under section 69 of the BNS, and after going to the first information, you have also got the case diary, no?
My lord.
The statements are available.
164 is not.
No, this 161 is also same line in the
My lord.
FIR lodged by the victim. Also the 161 CRPC statement produced by the law and counsel for the state and other materials available on record. I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall not try to come in contact with the victim and shall appear before the law and trial court on each date when the case would be posted for trial. Shall not indulge in any criminal activities, violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of bail. Allowed.
Item number 8.
May I plead lordship? The petitioner custody since 19/9/24. Alleged offence 140 clause 2 of BNS and subsequently charge sheet filed on 69 of BNS. On
Only
dated
69.
my lord.
कुछ पर्सन ऑन dated 16/9/2024 in connection with दूसरा excise station PR case number 98
What is the date, Mr. Counsel?
year Miller under section 20B second C of the NDPS Act.
No, date of custody.
ये 16/9/2024 to Miller 16/9/2024
What is the offense here?
20B second C of the NDPS Act. Quantity 21 kg.
So it's a commercial quantity.
Miller.
What is there?
Oh. As
How
well
do
the
you put
PR
section
case,
57?
the prosecution is there on dated 16/9/2024 at about 10:30 AM while the Dusra excise station staff were on patrolling duty getting information stop the vehicle Bajaj
All right, Mr. Counsel, tell me that it was seized from your possession and it is 21 kg, which is commercial quantity. How do you get over section 37 of the NDPS Act?
sir actually say arrested Miller's 5 numbers for 21 person along it is driver who were traveling in the said auto vehicle. The said ganja was not seized from the exclusive possession of the any of the accused person. They were innocent person only traveling in the said auto vehicle.
That plea you are to taken in that during trial and substantiate it that even if you are all moving in an auto rickshaw in which commercial quantity of ganja was there, you have no conscious possession, you are not aware about it, all those things have to be proved. But to get over section 37, something more is required. Charge sheet submitted?
No, Miller.
All right, heard the London Council. What is your good name?
Miller Basudev Bari.
Basudev Bari. You are appearing from Bhadrak?
Balangir.
Balangir, the Land Council, appearing through the Virtual High Court Balangir, submits that the petitioners are in judicial custody since 16/9/2024, and it is the prosecution case that 21 kg of ganja was seized from an auto rickshaw in which the petitioners, along with the drivers of the auto rickshaw, were moving, and the petitioners were not aware about the that the driver was carrying the ganja in the auto rickshaw, and they were merely passengers of the auto rickshaw, and therefore the bail application may be favorably considered. And counsel for the state opposed the prayer for bail on the ground the bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act, and further submit that the investigation is still under progress. Considering the submission made by the Land Council for the respective parties, nature of accusation against the petitioner, fact that the investigation is under progress, and in view of the bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act, while not inclining to release the petitioner on bail at this stage, liberty is granted to them to renew the prayer for bail after completion of investigation. Disposed of. Yes.
Item 10.
May I please, the petition is in custody since 15/3/2024, and the alleged offence is 457 and 380 IPC. So far as the FIR is concerned, then the petition has not been named and the FIR is against the unknown persons. The petitioner was arrested in connection with another case and he has taken a remand in connection with this case.
What was recovered from your possession here?
No, nothing has been discovered.
What was stolen?
Stolen property is gold ornament of from an apartment, gold ornament of 9 bhari and cash of rupees 9.15 lakhs. That is the allegation.
Whether that has been recovered from the co-accused persons or what?
That may not.
Committed so and so, seized, forwarding report of so and so. You have got 11 numbers of criminal antecedents.
I have given the In almost all cases, he has been acquitted. Annex of 3 lots will get page 17. I have given 11 cases, including this case also.
What are the type of cases? These are?
The similar nature of cases.
So you are an expert in this line.
457, 38 all.
But he has been
379.
acquitted in out of in one case order is zero, another case trial is going on, and other cases he has been acquitted.
Kept written.
15/3
15/3
2024.
or the Land Council for the Petitioner, Land Council for the State, considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 15/3/2024. Offences are travelled by magistrate. And after hearing the Land Council for the State and perusing the status of the criminal antecedents, which are stated to be against the petitioner as per the rejection order, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall appear before the IAC of Kotinda police station once in a week on every Sunday from 10 to 4 for a period of 3 months. Yes.
Okay.
Item 11.
May I please, Your Lordship, my lords. My lords, offense under section 126 to 115 to 74, 77, 296, 35, 351 to BNS Act, my lords. And the allegation against my lord, present person, my lord, doctor of the
You have received the case diary?
Yes, my lords.
Hmm?
Yes, my lords. Case diary, yes.
The Lieutenant Counsel for the state submits that he has received the case diary and criminal antecedent also.
My lords, that has not come.
But he is to obtain instruction regarding the criminal antecedent, if any, against the petitioner. Learned counsel for the petitioner also seeks for an adjournment. List this matter. Give it a yes.
Item 13,
In my lord, 376(3) there.
Okay, since one of the offense is under section 376(3) of the Indian Penal Code, let extra copy of the bail application be served on the learning counsel for the state, which will be sent to IIC sponsor for its service on the informant. Date be fixed. Yes, next.
item 14,
Item 14, my lords, similar to item 2, my lords, and item 2 petition is a student, my lords. But this case, my lord, petition is not a student, my lords, but similar, and allegation of 6,000 rupees from the pant pocket of the informant.
Or the learning counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state. Considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since Kebedu
4/9/2020.
4/9/2024, and taking into account his young age and progress of investigation and hearing the land counsel for the state, I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
item 15,
The offense under section 302/34 IPC laws. Allegation is that the petitioner and the informant played some quarrel with regard to land which was being damaged by way of drinking water through the pipeline. That was the allegation. And he stated that there was a quarrel between the petitioner and his brother and the family members of the informant. At that time, out of sudden provocation, the present petitioner.
Eyewitness is there, Mr.
Yes.
Samantha.
Allegation the eyewitness is there. But he has, I don't.
What he has stated, eyewitness.
He said that I strangulated nurse.
The FIR is lost by an eyewitness.
No, FIR lost by the father. If I lost it, come to page verse 8, the FIR. Charge sheet is sometimes also given the charge sheet. There's more Dibakar Sahu, page 10.
No, have you got the copy of the statement of an eyewitness with you? And also the PM report. You have got the case diary?
No, my lords.
All right. The Lieutenant Counsel for the state seeks some time to produce the case diary. List this matter. Give a date after review. Yes. Along with the criminal antecedent, if any. Next.
item 16,
Please, your lordship.
item 17,
Yes, Mr. You have got the case there. Yes, item 17.
Item 17.
Yes. You are appearing from Virtual High Court, Kotu.
Hon'Ble, my lord.
What is your good name, Land and Counsel?
Surendra Mahanti.
Okay. So, what is the date of custody?
My lord, 22/5/2024.
22/5/2024.
My lord.
Charge sheet submitted under section
302/34 IPC.
What is the name of the deceased?
Naik.
Yes?
Sanjay Naik.
Sandhya?
Sanjay Naik.
Okay. Date of occurrence?
Date of occurrence, my lord, 21/5/2024.
Is there any eyewitness to the occurrence?
Initially, the case was registered against unknown persons. Rather, the informant suspecting one Sudam lodged the said report, but subsequently Sudam was discharged during submission of charge sheet, and present petitioner along with other were implicated in this
Oh,
case.
it's all right.
For the-
You are implicated at a subsequent stage, but what are the materials against you as for charge sheet?
My lord, basing upon the statement of 3 witnesses claiming themselves as eyewitnesses.
Okay, name one eyewitness.
Lochan Behra alias Kartus.
Huh?
Lochan Behra.
Lochan.
Page number 30.
Lochan Behra. Please the statement of Lochan Behra, my lord. Have you annexed that statement in the bail application? Please place this statement.
We got the copies of the statement.
Just read out that Lochan Behra statement.
Statement is not there. Lochan Behra statement is not there.
Lochan Behra alias Kartus. It is there. It is there.
No.
In my our
look at
record.
161 statement. Don't read
161.
that.
161 statement. Lochan Behra, Bajrang Oram,
Yes,
and
statement.
Deepak Sahni.
Yes. What the eyewitness says, please read it out.
My lord.
Relevant part you registered.
He said, on the alleged date of occurrence, ଏହି ସମୟରେ ଗୋବିନ୍ଦତୋଲାର ଲକି ସଞ୍ଜୟ ନାୟକକୁ ବିଡ଼ି ମାଗିଲା। ସେଥିରେ 2 ଜଣ ହବକାହବକି ହେଲେ। ତାପରେ ସଙ୍ଗେ ସଙ୍ଗେ ଗୋବିନ୍ଦତୋଲାର ଲକି ମହାନନ୍ଦ ସଞ୍ଜୟ ନାୟକର ଭୁଜିନି ହାତକୁ ଧରି ତାର ସହଯୋଗୀମାନଙ୍କୁ ଡାକିଦେଲା। ଗୋବିନ୍ଦତୋଲାର ଶେଖ୍ ଅଜୁ ଅରବାଜ ଧନୁପାଲିର କରନ ମହାନନ୍ଦ ଓ ସଞ୍ଜୟ ନାୟକର ଡେବିରି ହାତ ଧରିଲେ। ଗୋବିନ୍ଦତୋଲାର ଶେଖ୍ ରାଜେଶ ପୁଅ ଶେଖ୍ ଅଫତାବ ତା ଅଣ୍ଟାରୁ ଗୋଟିଏ ବଡ଼ ଚାକୁ ବାହାର କରି ସଞ୍ଜୟ ନାୟକ ଛାତିରେ ଭୁସି ଦେଲା।
କିଏ ଭୁସିଲା?
ଶେଖ୍ ଅରବାଜ। ଶେଖ୍ ଅଫତାବ। ସରି, ଶେଖ୍ ଅଫତାବ। ତାପରେ ସଞ୍ଜୟ ନାୟକ ଛାତିରୁ ପ୍ରବଳ ରକ୍ତ ବାହାରି ତଳେ ପଡିଗଲା। ଭୟରେ ମୁଁ ବଜରଙ୍ଗ ସେଠାରୁ ଦୌଡ଼ି ଘରକୁ ପଳାଇ ଆସିଲୁ। ତାର କିଛି ସମୟ ପରେ ମୁଢିବାଲା ଦୀପକ ମୋ ଘରକୁ ଯାଇ କାନ୍ଦି କାନ୍ଦି କହିଲା ସଞ୍ଜୟ ମରିଯାଇଛି ଓ ତାର ଘରକୁ ଜଣେଇ ଦେ। ମୁଁ ଭୟରେ କେବଳ ସଞ୍ଜୟ ଗୌଡ଼ପଡ଼ାର କେହି ଅଜଣା ଲୋକ ମାରି ଦେଇଛି ବୋଲିକି ମୁଁ ଖବର ଦେଲି।
So that person who stabbed the deceased on the chest, his name is Sheikh Aftab, na?
Sheikh Aftab.
Yes, Mr.
Yes, sir. ଗୋବିନ୍ଦ ତୋଳର ଶେଖ୍ ରାଜେଶର ପୁଅ ଶେଖ୍ ଅଫତାବ ତାର ଅଣ୍ଟାରୁ ଗୋଟେ ବଡ ଚାକୁ ବାହାର କରି ସଞ୍ଜୟ ନାୟକର ଛାତିରେ ଭୁସି ଦେଲା। ତାପରେ ସଞ୍ଜୟ ନାୟକର ଛାତିରୁ ପ୍ରବଳ ରକ୍ତ ବାହାରି ସେ ତଳେ ପଡିଗଲା। ଭୟରେ ମୁଁ ଓ ବଜରଙ୍ଗ ସେଠାରୁ ଦୌଡ଼ି
ଘରୁ ପଳାଇ ଆସିଲୁ।
The overt act which has been attributed against this petitioner and others, that they caught hold of the deceased at
Yes,
the time of occurrence,
Yes, madam.
right?
Yes, madam.
What is the PM report? What is the PM report, Land Council?
PM report, it reveals the deceased sustained two injuries. One is incise wound, another is stab injury.
No, what is the cause of death of that?
Cause of death is
Hemorrhage and
hemorrhage.
Hemorrhage and shock as a result of
And
injury to vital organs, which is the heart and the left lung
Oh,
of
that
this.
that means that knife injury resulted in causing death.
Yes.
Or Mr. Surendra Mahanti, Land Council, appearing through virtual High Court Sambalpur. He submits that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 22/5/2024, and charge sheet has been submitted under Section 302/34 of the Indian Penal Code. The occurrence in question took place on 21/5/2024, and the petitioner has not been named in the FIR
Yes,
as an accused. Is it correct?
Yes,
During course of investigation, basing on the statements of some witnesses, the petitioner has been arraigned as an accused, and the overtake that has been attributed against the petitioner is that while he, along with some others, caught hold of the deceased Sanjay Naik, one Sheikh Aftab dealt a knife blow on the chest of the deceased, as a result of which he died. Land Council submits that the PM report also corroborates the statements of the eyewitness that it is on account of blow given on the chest by the knife, the death took place. Land Council for the state opposed the prayer for bail, placed the statement of eyewitness, so also the PM report. Considering the submission made by the London Council for the respective parties, nature of overt act attributed against the petitioner as per the statements of the eyewitnesses, post-mortem report finding, and period of detention in judicial custody, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Item 18. Item 20.
May please, Your Lordship. Alias the offence is under section 419, 420, 120 by IPC and section 66, 60D of the IT Act. So petitioner is in occurrence took place on 21/10/2023, and then the petitioner arrested on 21/7/2024. And then he's in custody. Malat, I have annexed also copy of the charge sheet has been submitted. Allegation that the informant Malat, a phone was come to the
What is the amount involved?
amount Malat, the charge sheet 13 lakhs amount.
13 lakhs.
Yeah. And that amount was credited to different accounts, not to the accounts of the
13
petitioner.
lakh 34,000.
Yeah. And the running page 15 Malat, in the charge sheet it has been mentioned Malat. It is the middle portion.
Since when you are in custody?
Since Malat 21/7/2024. Amount was credited to the account of other persons. They disclosed that.
You are a man from
Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh.
Malat.
You have received the case diary?
Milord's case diary as
Or
well.
land counsel for the
There is a
state
confessional statement.
seeks some time to produce the case diary, to also to obtain instruction as to whether the address furnished by the petitioner in the cause title is correct or not. For that, the superintendent of police, Jharsuguda, shall make necessary correspondence with superintendent of police Jabalpur district in the state of MP, and the report be produced on the next date, which is fixed to give a date. Yes.
Petitioner came to the before the IO and
Next.
Item 21.
Have you received the case diary?
No. She did not have it.
maybe.
And it will have given.
3085 extortion.
Extortion. Allegation is that, my lord. The
So, just a minute. Heinous punishment is there.
My state relative. No antecedent. Custody since 8/9/20.
Section का कितने हैं? IP 0.
386.
Debit violent.
8/9/24.
What is the amount involved?
They asked for 50,000. When they arranged 20,000, only they have called over phone and threatened, and they have not taken any money.
Part the land and counsel for the petitioner, land counsel for the state. Considering the submission made by the land counsel for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since
8/9/20.
8/9/24,
Yes, sir.
and the offenses. What is this 3/5?
That is 34.
34. Offenses traveled by magistrate after hearing the land counsel for the state and taking into account the nature of accusation I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Okay.
Item 22.
May I please, Your Lordship? My Lord, 305A and 35 of BNSS Act, custody since 21/9/2024, my Lord. Theft of a mobile, my Lord, already been recovered.
305
My Lord.
is 380.
And charge sheet has been submitted, my Lord.
କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲାଣି
21/9/2024.
Are the land council?
29 antecedent.
Huh?
Antecedent is 29. That is the rejection order of this.
ହଁ ଯୋଉଟାକ ଏତେ କେସ୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ଅଛି
ସେ ପୁରୁଣା କେସ୍ ରିମାଇଣ୍ଡେଡ
ପୁରୁଣା କେସ୍
10, 11, 13 ଏମିତି ସବୁ।
ହଁ ଆପଣ ବୟସ କେତେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ?
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ହେଲା 39 my lord.
39
ହଁ।
ତ 14 ବର୍ଷ ତଳେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ବୟସ ଥିଲା 25 ବର୍ଷ ତ ସେବେଠୁ ଆପଣ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିଦେଲେଣି
ଏମିତି ହେଲା।
ଆଉ ଏଗୁଡାକ ସବୁ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର କେସ୍ ଗୁଡାକ ସେକ୍ଟର 3 ର ସେକ୍ଟର
ନାଇଁ ଏଇଟା
19
ରାଉରକେଲାରେ।
ରାଉରକେଲାର
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ସେକ୍ଟର 3 ସେକ୍ଟର 19
Sector 7, Sector 15.
ତିନିଟାର ସବୁ ଦବ
ମୋବାଇଲ ଫୋନଟେ ରିକଭରି
ନାଇଁ ଏ କେସ୍ଟା ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଏ
ହଁ।
ଆଗ ଗୁଡାକ Heard the Land and Council for the petition, Land Council for the state, considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since केବେठୁ
21/9/2024.
21/9/2024. Charge sheet has already been submitted. Magistrate offence is triable by magistrate, and after hearing the Land Council for the state submitted that there are criminal antecedents against the petitioner, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to conditions that he shall appear before the IAC of Sector 7 Police Station once in a week on every Sunday between 10 to 4 for a period of 3 months.
Problem.
Item 23.
His Lordship, offense under section 294, 507, 420 of the IPC. Custody since 2/9/2024. False assurance to provide job to the brother of the complainant. False assurance to job to the brother of the complainant. In this case, present
How much
petitioner
amount you have taken?
11 lakh,
11 lakhs.
my lord.
You have refunded that amount. He's not having any job and you took 11 lakhs from him, giving assurance of job.
My lord.
And 8 antecedent is there.
My lord,
And you have
present
got
petitioner similar type
similar.
with 12 antecedent,
Huh?
including this 13 antecedent.
Yes.
One of case is religion bail, my lord.
No, that's all right. Take instruction whether you are ready and willing to deposit that amount in court or not. You are a history sheeter. You are taking type of money from the persons who are having no job. Their family must be selling properties or somehow or the other arranging money with the hope that their son or daughter will get service, and you are exploiting them. The Land Council for the state submitted that there are, how many cases are there?
Including these 13.
There are 13 criminal antecedents against the petitioner. And in this case, the accusation is that giving assurance to give job, the petitioner has taken rupees 11 lakhs from the informant at different stages. The Land Council for the petitioner seeks some time to file a comprehensive affidavit relating to the status of those cases. So also obtain instruction as to whether the petitioner is ready and willing to deposit the amount in questions before the Land and Court below. Put up this matter, give a date. Yes.
Obligation.
Item 24.
Item 24, my lord, I am appearing through VC. This is a matter of 302. but I need to obtain the postmortem report, my lord. I have all the documents. I have annexed all the documents, but
Mr. Naik,
There is no complete case. Only 3 to 4 statement is there. Other they
no, complete case diary is not there with you, right? The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks for an adjournment. Learned counsel for the state submit that he is not having the complete case diary with him. Put up this matter, even. Yes.
Item 25.
May I please your lordships? I am appearing through VC. Yes, my lord. The offence under section 303 subclause 2 of BNS, the theft of a tractor, and in the meantime charge sheet has been filed. The petitioner is languishing in custody since 28th August 2024. The allegation of the prosecution is that the one Abhay Kumar Parida theft the tractor and parked the tractor in front of the house of the petitioner. And as per the statement of this Abhay Parida, this petitioner has arrested as an accused. In the meantime, charge sheet has been filed.
27/8/24.
My lord.
Counsel, Mr.
9 antecedent is
Virendra Kumar Behera.
Badal Kumar.
Yeah. Badal
Kumar Behera.
Kumar Behera. Learned counsel appearing to the virtual High Court, Maharashtra. Considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the petition that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 27/8/2024, and charge sheet has already been submitted, and offence is traveled by magistrate. And after hearing the land counsel for the state submitted that the petitioner has got some criminal antecedent and inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Yes, madam.
Item 26.
May I please, your lordship? Here in this case, my lord, the petitioner has been remanded on 7/6/2024, my lord, for the commission of offence under section 392 and 34 of IPC. The allegation is, my lord, the informant who is a collection agent in finance company, after collecting money, he was returning to the company. On the way, 2 persons, my lord, came and snatched away the bag in which the money was kept, my lord.
What is the amount involved?
Amount involved is 26,350, my lord.
26,000.
My lord, 26,350.
22 antecedent is there. And
Land counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the land counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner was taken on remand in this case on 7/6/2024, and offence is traveled by magistrate, and charge sheet has been submitted.
It is 7/2024.
And after hearing the land counsel for the state who submitted that the petitioner has got a number of criminal antecedents, I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that the petitioner shall appear before the IAC of Astarang police station once in a week on every Sunday in between 10 to 4 for a period of 3 months. Allowed.
Obliged.
Item 27.
It is in custody since 13/9/2024, and allegation matter, some unknown persons took away his informant motorcycle and a cash of 10,000 rupees. Corresponding section is 395 and 25 Arms Act. Lordship, kindly see the rejection order on running page.
Wait, madam. Wait.
16, my lord.
Madam, please wait. 126 wrongful restraint. 351.
This forwarded on section 310, my lord, corresponding section 395 and 25 Arms Act.
So 310.
Lordship, kindly see rejection order running page 13.
310. You have some cases in other courts or what?
Lordship?
That you have some cases in other courts. Why are you in so hurry?
Sorry.
It's a case of Dakaiti. So what are the materials against you?
Basing upon co-case statement, he has been arrested and accused, my lord.
No, any TI parade has been conducted.
No TI parade has been conducted.
What is your instruction?
She did
not got the case, right?
My lord, kindly see rejection order running page 16, my lord. co-accused person has been released on bail, my lord, and this petition was this bail action was rejected because he had two antecedents, my lord, under section 379.
Which paragraph?
Running page 16, first paragraph.
No, read paragraph number 7, page 15.
That's it.
Please place it. Why are you not placing? Page number 15, paragraph 7.
Found in the accused Musa.
No, that is not paragraph 7.
Paragraph 7, my lord.
Yes.
Continued on page 16, my lord.
I'm asking you to please place page number 15, paragraph number 7.
Page number 16, my lord.
You are not having the rejection order with you.
That's it.
Then what difficulty you are facing?
Paragraph 7, my lord, that is continued on
I'm asking you to place paragraph number 7 from the beginning. Are you? I hope that you are following me.
That's it. Running page 15, paragraph 7. That is continued on page 16, my lord. That is page 16, my lord.
ଆପଣ ବୁଝି ପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଯାହା କହୁଛି ନା କଣ ଓଡିଆ ବୁଝି ପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି?
So far, prayer of bail in respect of accused Musa is considered perusal of the FIR, forwarding report of the IU, statement of witnesses recorded under section 161 CRPC, seizure list along with other conducted documents, prima facie established involvement of the present accused petitioner is the mastermind of the alleged occurrence. From the investigation, it reveals that basing upon statement of the co-accused petitioner Musa, Rajat Kumar Malik, other accused persons were apprehended. On further perusal of the case record, it reveals that the accused is the main conspirator in the alleged commission of the crime. The IO has reported that the accused petitioner has been involved in many number of cases. It is needless to mention that previous criminal antecedent of an accused petitioner is a relevant factor. The accused Musa is found to have been involved in Salehpur PS case number 223 under section 379-34 IPC and Nishinta Kohli PS case number 122 under section 457-380 of the IPC. So taking the fact and circumstances of the case, prima facie material available against him, severity of punishment in case of conviction.
You take instruction whether they need, because it's a case of Dakaiti, whether TI parade has been conducted or not. Learned counsel for the state takes some time to produce the case diary and to obtain specific instruction as to whether case identification parade in respect of the petitioner has been conducted or not, and if so conducted, then to produce the TI parade report on the next day, which is fixed to. Yes, next.
Item 28.
My lord, I am in DC. So this is the case also 363, 366, 376.
I'm not able to hear you properly. Is there any problem? Mic ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ କି ଅଛି system operator? System operator को କୁହନ୍ତୁ ସେ mic ଟିକେ ଉପରେ ରଖିବାକୁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ. ଶୁଭୁନି clearly.
Yes, under section 363, 366, 376, read with 4 of Coast Guard. And the
Where from you are appearing?
From Hon'Ble.
Hon'Ble.
4 of Coast Guard.
Just a minute, Grand Counsel. What is your good name?
My Ravinder Prasad.
Okay. Yes, what is the offense here?
This is 363, 366, 376, read with 4 of Coast Guard.
Okay, have you got that statement of the victim with you?
Well, that is
you have annexed as annexure 3, 4.
Running page 4. Running page 34. 164 is running page 34.
Okay, ମୁଁ ମୋର ଇଚ୍ଛାରେ ଘର ଛାଡି ଯାଇଥିଲି ମୋର କେହି ଅପହରଣ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ମୁଁ କେସ୍ ଆଗେଇବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁନି. Since when you are in custody?
I mean custody since 15/11/2023.
15/11
2023.
2023 are the Learning Council for the Mr. Ravindra Prasad Patnaik, Learned Council appearing through the virtual High Court on Go. Considering his submission that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 15/11/2023. Charge sheet has been submitted under section 363, 366, 376 of the Indian Penal Code and section 41 of the POCSO Act. And after going through the 164 CRPC statement of the victim, was stated that on her own volition, she had left her lawful guardianship and nobody has kidnapped her. I'm inclined to release, after hearing the Land Council for the state, I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail. Allowed.
Item 29.
May I please, Your Lordship, on behalf of Uman Bari. Lordship, here in this case, the offences are 20B, 2B, and 27A of NDPS Act, Lordship. The petitioners were arrested from 11/9/2024. And the quantity of ganja is, Lordship, 15 kg, 350 gram, Lordship, 15 kg, 350
Or the
gram.
Land Council for the petition, Land Council for the state, considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner that the petitioners are in judicial custody since 11/9/2024 and the quantity of ganja seized is what is that quantity has been mentioned?
15 kg, 350
Could
gram.
mention could
Lordship, Annexure 1, page number 13, Lordship.
15 kg
15 kg, 350 gram.
350 gram, which is lesser than commercial quantity for which bar under section 37 is not applicable. And after hearing the Land Council for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail. Allowed.
Grateful, Your Lordship.
Item 30.
Item 30, on behalf of Mr. Pajosi, my lord. His health is not well. He is not able to appear today, my lord.
You have received the case diary?
No, my lord.
Land Council for the petitioner seeks for an adjournment. Land Council for the state also submits that he is yet to receive the case diary and also to take instruction regarding criminal antecedent, if any, against the petitioner. The matter may be taken up on some other day. Is this matter? Give a date. Yes.
Item 31.
May I please, Your Lord? In this case, the petitioner was remanded on 18/6/2024, my lord, for commission of offence under section 392 and 34 of IPC, my lord. The allegation
Yeah,
of
just yes. What is your date of custody?
18/6/2024. He has been remanded in this case, my lord. And the offences under section 392 and 34 of IPC, my lord. The allegation of robbery from a collection agent of a finance company of rupees, my lord, 50,445 rupees.
Or the Learning Council for the petitioner.
22 antecedents are there. CD has not come, but from the rejection, 22 antecedents are there.
All these cases have been, he has been remanded, my lord.
Submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner. Petitioner is in judicial custody since 18/6/2024. And charge sheet has been submitted. Offence is triable by magistrate. And after hearing the Land Council for the state, was stated that the petitioner has got number of criminal antecedents. I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall appear before the IIC of Ostaranga Police Station once in a week on every Sunday in between 10 to 4 for a period of 3 months. Yes, next.
Obliged.
Item 32.
Petitioner is in custody since 4/10/24 and the alleged offences are under section 318(2), 318(4), 274, 275.
What is your date of custody?
4/10/2024.
4/10/2024. So what are these offenses, IPC offenses?
IPC offenses, Your Lordship, 34, 272, 273, 417, and 420. Along with that, Food Safety and Security Act.
What you have done?
Pardon, Your Lordship.
What you have done?
Yes, Your Lordship. The alleged offenses are committed by the two principal accused persons. Your Lordship may kindly come to page 16 of the FIR, running page 16.
Adulteration of foods or what?
Yes, accused persons.
Have you received the case diary?
No.
Get it. Or the land counsel for the state takes some time to produce the case diary and also to obtain instruction about the criminal antecedent put up this matter. Yes, next.
One thing I submit, the principal accused persons have after this.
Let him bring that.
Okay.
Item 33.
My lord, the case under section 341, 323, 324, 307, 506 by 34 IPC. The prosecution case is that on 24/24 year 10 5 a.m. 5 p.m. while the injured CC was sleeping in CC Nrsingajiu Temple Mandap, at that time the accused
What
person.
is the date of custody, Mr. Saran?
My lord, one month on this 10/24.
29/10/2024.
Yes, my lord.
So, who is the injured in this case?
The injured persons are
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. He injured.
Akash Raut,
Just a minute. Akash Raut. Then
Kanhu Charan, that is Kanhu Charan, and one is Dhruva Charan Raut.
Kanhu Charan jane, ଆଉ ଜଣେ Dhruva Charan.
Yes.
My lord.
What are the nature of injuries sustained?
So far as Dhruva Charan Raut is concerned, injuries are simple in nature.
Yes.
And other 2 minutes, in that column, it is observed that opinion reserved as CT scan.
What is the weapon used?
Sorry, madam?
Weapon used.
Upon the iron rod, my lord.
Iron rod.
Yes, madam. Iron rod on the scalp.
Body part the assault was made.
Madam, assault on the scalp.
Alleged that this present petition assaulted to Dharmendra Raut and
They are still in hospital or has been removed, discharged from there?
no, my lord, they have been discharged. No, that condition is not safe.
Mr. Om Prakash Sharan, Land Council appealing to Virtual High Court Denkana, considering the submission made by Land Council for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 29/10/2024, and there are 3 injured in this case, out of which the opinion in respect of 1 injured, 2 injured have been kept reserved, and 1 injured, namely Dhruva Charan, has sustained simple injuries. He further submits that the injured persons have been discharged from the hospital and they are quite hale and hearty and attending ordinary pursuit. After hearing the Land Council for the state and going through the injury reports, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Obliged, my lord.
Item 34.
May it please your lordship, Town Police Sundargarh has himself lodged a FIR and forwarded 5 persons to court on 7/10/2024 for tussle of 2 groups in Town Police Station, in where 2 persons have been released by ADJ Pakso and 3 persons was rejected bail. Your Honor, my lord, allegation is that जे ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ଠେଲାପେଲା ହେଲେ ଆଉ ଫୁଲ ଗମଲା ଭାଙ୍ଗିଲେ ଆଉ ସେଥିରେ ପୋଲିସ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଅଟକେଇବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କଲା ହେଲେ ସେ ଫୁଲ ଗମଲାର କାଦୁଅକୁ ଗୋଟେ ପୋଲିସର ଛାତିରେ ଏବଂ ମୁଣ୍ଡରେ ମାରିଲେ ଆଉ ଜଣେ ଭରତ ପ୍ରସାଦ ଯେ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ମେଡ୍ ପିସ୍ତଲ ଧରିଥିଲା ଆଉ ପୋଲିସକୁ ଦେଖେଇଲା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତାକୁ ବାନ୍ଧିକି ଫରୱାର୍ଡ କଲେ ବନ୍ଧୁକ ଧରିକିରି ଥାନାକୁ ଯିବା ଏବଂ ପୋଲିସକୁ ଦେଖେଇବା ଆଉ ପୋଲିସକୁ ମାରିବା ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ କ୍ୱାଇଟ୍ ଇମ୍ପ୍ରୋବେବଲ ୟୁର ଅନର ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ ଆଉ ଯେତେବେଳେ 7/10/2024 ଯେତେବେଳେ ହିୟରିଂ ହେଲା ଏଡିଜେ କୋର୍ଟରେ ସେତେବେଳେ ବି ଆଫ୍ଟର ଏତେ ଦିନ ପରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେ ଇଞ୍ଜୁରି ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଜାଣି ଶୁଣି ପୋଲିସ ଦେଲା ନାହିଁ ପୋଲିସ ଟାଉନ ଥାନାରୁ DHH मात्र 200
So
meters.
have you received the case diary? He is not having the case diary. Let him learn counsel for the state takes some time. Produce the case diary and also the criminal antecedent, if any, against
Only two antecedent there is.
petitioner. Put up this matter. Give a date. Yes, next.
Item 35.
May I please, Your Honor? Well, offense section 20B 2C of NDPS Act, my lord. And in this case, my lord, co-accusation will be acquitted.
Co-accused persons acquitted.
My lord.
केबे का केस किला
2016, my lord.
आपण कोड जाइतले
Kindly see, my lord, page 10, my lord.
देखिथिले समानकर acquittal हबो कि नाही तापर आसीबे
Already release देखले NBW ए issue हला परे से surrender करतन.
What is the allegation against you?
My lord,
कोर्ट रु खसी पळेले
no, no, my lord.
No.
Present रे थिले, my lord.
Hmm?
Present रे थिले, my lord.
No, you are not found at the spot, or you are found at the spot.
Found, my lord.
Then
Two accused person arrested in the spot, my lord.
you are one among them.
One of them, my
So
lord. Sudipto Ranjan Das.
The case was splitted up.
Splitted up, my lord.
You absconded or not? During you are on bail.
My lord.
Oh, I see.
Kindly see, my lord.
Where is that portion that you are on bail and you आपण बेल ले थिले स्टेप नेलेनी बेली आपण को अगेंस्ट केस स्प्लिट ऑफ
kindly see, my lord, page 10, my lord.
The identity of the accused, including the accused petitioner, was ascertained. Okay, FIR was lodged. Present accused along with another forwarded. Investigation has already been. In the meantime, NBW was assessed due to non-appearance in the court. Achha, original case was split up. That means you are on bail. Like, such type of offense. Have you got that copy of the bail order with you?
No, my lord.
Which court has granted you bail? Produce that order. Let us see that.
My lord.
The land counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner was on bail, but due to non-taking of steps on the date fixed, non-bailable warrant of arrest was issued against him, and the original case was splitted off, and the co-accused Sudeep Ranjan Das alone faced trial in city number 105 of 2016 in the Court of Land and Additional Session Judge cum Special Judge Malkangiri, and by judgment and order dated 28/2/2019, he has been acquitted. He filed the copy of the judgment which is taken on record. The Land Counsel for the state submits. You have received the case diary?
No, my lord.
Takes some time to produce the case diary. Let the Land Counsel for the petitioner produce the bail order copy on the next date, which is fixed to give a date. Yes.
Item 36.
The 18/4, that is 420 Miller by 34 IPC. Petitioner was working as employee. The Sunil Behra was opened a farm to give engagement to the person. He has
Offense
318/4, that is 420
318/4 420 cheating. Okay. Account allegation.
Allegation that one SP associate officers opened by the one Sunil Behra, who the owner of the company, has taken money for the different persons to give employment. And this petition of working as employee have annexed the Annex 3/17. That he was working as manager. And subsequently, he collected some money and deposited in the name of Sunil Behra, the owner of the farm. And also in the meantime, he deposited 1,60,200 in the account of the Sunil Behra. That I have annexed the Annex 3 series mirror. And this petition, while working as a manager in the company, he was arrested, taken to custody. And Sunil Behra also was in custody. And this man was joined in the company on 27/5/24. and offer letter was issued to him and to join in the company. And only that he was managing the company and he was collecting the money and deposited the name of Hon'Ble.
Yes,
And charges are already been filed in custody since 28/9/24.
heard the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 28/9/2024. Charge sheet has been submitted. Offence is traveled by magistrate, and after hearing the learned counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Item 37.
You have got the case diary? No. Land counsel for the petitioner seeks for an adjournment. Land counsel for the state submits that he is not having the case diary, and also he wants to obtain instruction regarding the criminal antecedent, if any, against the petitioner. List this matter, give a date.
Item 38.
Petitioners were forwarded under section 309/4 of the BNS, that is my lord 392 of the IPC.
Just a minute. (20B2C achieved?
20B2C, so far that is for other accused persons. Allegation that two persons were caught red-handed while transporting 34 kilograms of ganja. They confess that these petitioners have, with a assurance to given lift in auto rickshaw, have taken 10,000 rupees and 2 mobile phones. ସେମାନେ ହୋଟେଲରେ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବି କହିକି ଗୋଟେ ଲୋନଲି ଜାଗାରେ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେଲେ 10,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଆଉ 2ଟା ମୋବାଇଲ ଫୋନ ନେଇଗଲେ. So far these three petitioners are concerned. That is also there. My lordship, kindly have a glance page 19, last 3 lines. Rejection order clearly shows that these 3 petitioners were forwarded to the court for the alleged offence under section 3094/3 and 5 of the BNS. Those 2 persons were Hemant Singh Maurya and Althamas Bano. They were caught red-handed.
ये 20B2C ଟା
ସେମାନଙ୍କ list. ସେମାନେ କନଫେସ୍ କଲେ ଯେ ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଅଟୋ ରିକ୍ସାରେ ଯେହେତୁ କୋରାପୁଟ ଯେ ନଟ୍ ୱେଲ୍ ନୋନ୍ ଟୁ ଦେମ୍ ଗୋଟେ ହୋଟେଲରେ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବି କହିକି ଗୋଟେ ଅନନୋନ୍ ପ୍ଲେସରେ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେଲେ.
All right, heard the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that though the case has been registered earlier for commission of offence under section 20B2C of the NDPS Act, but the said allegation is against 2 persons, namely Hemant Singh Maurya and Althamas Bano. Page 3 there, Chiseta. Internal page 3, running page 20. So far as the petitioners are concerned, the allegations are under section 309 bracket 4/3 bracket 5 of BNS, and they are in judicial custody since 2010-2024, and therefore the bail application may be favorably considered. Land counsel for the state oppose the prayer for bail. Considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the respective parties, the nature of accusation against the petitioner, and the period of detention, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Item 39.
Offence under section 302, 304B, 34 and 498A. CD
Offense involved ଅଛି 296, 351 351 3 of BNSS and 66E and 67A of IT Act. Custody since 6/7/2024, almost 5.5 months.
On offense 296.
296, 351
Just a minute.
351 3 and 66E and
296 294. Tapore la 351
criminal intimidation.
1 attitude euros.
351 2, it is criminal intimidation 506. अच्छा बाकी ହେଲା IT Act ର କଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ allegation ଆସୁଛି?
Allegation ଅଛି cyber harassment through private moments video viral in the Instagram. Whereas the petitioner is a co-accused and no name in the FIR is. FIR na nahi. He is a cab driver. The main accused using that car to moving. 193 euros.
ତ ସେ Instagram ରେ ଆପଣ nude photograph upload କଲେ କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲେଣି? Since when you are in custody?
Since 6/7/2024. 5.5 months.
Heard the Land Council for the petitioner, Land Council for the state. Considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 6/7/2024. Charge sheet helani?
Yes, sir.
And charge sheet has already been submitted. And after going through the statement of the victim and taking into account the nature of accusation and hearing the Land Council for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall not try to come in contact with the victim and appear before the Land trial court on his state when the case would be posted for trial. Violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of bail allowed. The case choosing. We are just coming within 2 minutes.
Item 41.
May I please, Your Honor? This is a case under section 302 IPC. In the case, charge sheet has already been submitted, and the present petitioner is inside the jail custody since 26/4/2024.
What are the offenses under which charge sheet submitted?
302. Itself.
What is the name of the deceased?
Ranjit Shah.
Ranjit Saha.
My lord.
Date of occurrence?
2024.
Night.
2024.
25/4/2024 night.
25/26 night, huh? 2024. So, any eyewitness?
No, my lord.
So, what are the circumstantial?
My lord, there is mens rea.
Only 27 of.
Just a minute. Yes, Mr. Mahanti, please tell what is your case?
Present petitioner is implicated in this case, basic upon his confessional statement recorded under section 27 of Evidence Act. And alleged weapon of offense was seized.
But what is that weapon?
Iron rod. And if your honor will peruse the accusation made against the present petitioner is working under the deceased as a servant. And it has been alleged that some dues are pending for which the present petitioner insisted him to pay, which she denied. So there was a quarrel, and the deceased tried to assault the petitioners, and in protest he dealt a push. He fell down and sustained head injury. Thereafter, the deceased, by means of the weapon of offense, tried to assault the petitioners.
No, are you submitting a defense plea before me or what?
No, it is itself in the prosecution case. 27, it has been elaborately narrated in
27 it has stated. So apart from 27, what is there?
Entire case is based upon the source code.
Just a minute.
Last scene.
Last scene.
My lord.
Then extrajudicial confession.
My lord. And the opinion of the doctor opined that the injury found in the body is possible by the weapon seized. My lord.
Last scene was stated.
Last scene, my lord, the petitioner was staying in a cabin. The owner of the cabin is the present the deceased.
Okay.
Sometimes the deceased was also staying in that cabin to collect the material from the bus. On the relevant date, the deceased came from his house and stayed with the petitioner, the wife and daughter.
No. Have they seen that they?
No, they came and
they have stated that our husband, my husband left the house, saying that I am going to that cabin. So
on the next day morning,
whether he stayed in that cabin or what?
On the next day,
the dead body was recovered
from the cabin.
From the cabin.
On the next day morning, the present petitioner intimated to the wife of the deceased that your husband laying
in that cabin.
And immediate, yes, my lord, on the immediate morning.
And before extrajudicial confession, before whom he has made?
While he was inside custody, my lord.
No, that is not,
my lord. And the leading to discovery, the accused discovered that weapon of offense, mobile phone of the deceased, and own dress. Where
so, Mr. Mahanti, you are staying in a cabin. And
a rented cabin.
Cabin owner is the deceased.
In a rented cabin, my lord.
Huh?
In a rented cabin owned by one
rented cabin of the deceased. He has given you.
No. This rented cabin of somebody else. Ganesh Maharana.
Ganesh Maharana.
It was rented by the deceased deceased. He is the owner of that cabin on rent.
You are his servant.
Yes.
My lord, my lord.
What the deceased was doing?
He was collecting parcels from boss and distributed among the addressee.
Okay. Are the Land Counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state, Mr. Surendra Mahanti, Land Counsel appearing to virtual High Court. Sambalpur submits that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 26/4/2024 and he has been charge sheeted under section 302 of the Indian Penal Code. The occurrence in question took place in the intervening night of 25/26/2024 and there are no eyewitnesses to the occurrence. The main allegation is against the petitioner. The main allegation against the petitioner is that at his instance, one iron rod was seized, basing on his statement recorded under section 27 of the Evidence Act. He further submits that there was some outstanding dues of the petitioner against the deceased, and the petitioner, the deceased did not pay that amount for which there was quarrel, and that is how the petitioner has been falsely implicated in the crime. Land Counsel for the state, on the other hand, opposed the prayer for bail and submitted that the dead body of the deceased was lying in a cabin which was taken on rent by him from one Ganesh. Ganesh kaun kaile?
Maharana.
Maharana. And the petitioner was his friend. And
staying in that cabin.
Staying in that cabin. Staying in that cabin. And the doctor, after the examining the iron rod seized at the instance of the petitioner, who find that the injury sustained by the deceased was possible by such a weapon. Considering the submission made by the Land Counsel for the respective parties, nature of accusation, absence of any direct evidence, nature of circumstantial evidence appearing on record, and period of detention in judicial custody, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Item 42.
May I please note. The petitioner is in custody since 11/9/2024, my lord. Offense alleged are under section 506 Old Act number 506 and 2527 Arms Act, my lord. Allegation
11/9/2024.
11/9.
Seized from your possession.
My lord, it's alleged that the petitioner entered with a country-made gun inside the forest, my lord. The forest officer lodged the FIR, my lord.
The petitioner arrested in connection with Pododiha Wildlife Range war case number 2 of 2024-25.
Oh, how many cases are there against you?
No, only
My lord,
in that case arrested.
Forest
25 Arms Act is there. Forest authority has no authority to this case.
Okay. No, has he killed anybody? That tiger, etc.
No. The petitioner enter inside
enter inside that reserve forest
and threaten the forest official. Therefore, the allegation of
since when you are in custody?
Not 11/9/2024.
Are the Land Counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the Land Counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 11/9/2024. Charge sheet has been submitted under section
351 to
351 bracket 2, 3 3 of BNS and read with section 25 of the Arms Act.
1A of Arms.
25 bracket 1 hyphen capital A of the Arms Act. And after hearing the Land Counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Item 43.
Item 43, may I please yourself? Item number 43 on behalf of Mr. B.R. Swing. Kindly adjourn this matter next week due to his personal leave.
And counsel for the petitioner seeks for an adjournment. Yes, adjourned. You have got the case diary?
No, my lord.
And counsel for the state submit that he is yet to receive the case diary and also take instruction about the criminal antecedent if any. That is adjourned. Yes, next.
Item
Oh, next,
44.
May I please, my lord, item number 44.
Yeah.
My lord, in this case, the petitioner has been implicated under section 20B2B and he is in custody since 30/10/2024. Your Honor, allegation against him is 8 kg of ganja has been recovered from his possession, my lord. My lord, the ganja recovered from a public place.
What is your good name, Learned Counsel?
Pritam Mishra, my lord.
Lord Mr. Pritam Mishra and Counsel appearing to virtual High Court board, considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 30/10/2024 and the quantity of ganja seized is 8 kg, which is lesser than commercial quantity, and therefore bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act is not applicable. And after hearing the Land Council for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Obliged, my lord.
Item 46.
Please, your lords, the petitioner is in judicial custody since 25/10/2024 under section 420 of IPC. Allegation, my lord, the informant is the friend of the present petitioner, took a loan from Bajaj Finance, rupees 1,51,000, and assured what?
What is the amount involved, Mr. Counsel?
151, my lord. 1,51,000.
1,51,000. You are in custody since 25/10/24. And offense is what is 420?
It item
IPC লেখা
no.
2023 ର କେସଟା
item number টা 46 to 45 টা time
46 ଟା 95
yes
420 କେସ ପରା 23 ମସିହାର hard the what is your good name, Learned Counsel?
Puresh Prasad Das.
Mr. Puresh Prasad Das, Learned Counsel appearing to virtual High Court, Barampur, considering his submission that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 25/10/2024 and offense is triable by magistrate and the amount involved in this case is 1 lakh and odd, and after hearing the Land Council for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Obliged.
Item 47.
May I please, your lords? The
Oldman my lords, arrest since 27/10/2024 my lords. Now the excise my lords under section 52 AI.
110 liter escapade.
Are the land counsel for the petition, land counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the land counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since
27/10/2024
and the offense is traveled by magistrate, and after hearing the land counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Item 49.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lord, here, my lord. May I please, Your Lordship? So TV, IAB, NDPS Act, my lord, and petition is in custody 11/10/2024, and 3 kg 950 gram ganja has been seized from the possession of the present person.
Separate provision ji?
11/10/2024.
Are the land counsel for the petition, land counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the land counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 11/10/2024, and the quantity of ganja seized is जी
My lord, the rejection order, my lord, FR is one sir.
Case time कोटी कौन rejection order पाऊनी
My lord's rejection order. My lord's page 16, my lords.
16 no कोई line नहीं
FR रे भी अछि
अच्छा
3
3 kg 950 grams, which is lesser than commercial quantity, and therefore bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act is not applicable. And after hearing the land counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed. Asur, हाँ दे ताकि दोनों
Pass over item number 1.
May I please, Your Honor? Your Honor, I am appearing for petitioner in item 1.
Yes.
Your Honor, in this case, I am in custody since 17th of January 2024. my lords. In the case bearing FIR number 774 of 2023 registered with Aska police station. my lords. Allegations against me is that I have duped 5 lakh rupees from the complainant, my lord, on the pretext of providing him a car, my lords. It's a completely case of civil nature.
Involved is 5 lakhs.
My lords, 5 lakhs only.
Involved means number of cases.
कितना केस है?
That
My lords,
injection order page 7 criminal cans.
7. Yeah.
Page 7. GR case number Chhatrapur PS case 848.
Yes, what are the status of those cases, Mr. Counsel?
my lords, charge sheet has been filed, my lords.
No, about the cases which have been indicated or reflected in page number second page, I think, second page of the rejection order, paragraph number 5. You are involved in these cases.
The similar matter item 52 and 54, same petitioner.
My lords, 3 cases has been registered against me in
No,
Aska
not
police
3
station.
cases. All these cases you file a comprehensive affidavit relating to the status of these cases.
Number of people has been cheated.
Peruse the rejection order, wherein it is mentioned that the petitioner is involved in number of cases of different police station. Let the land counsel for the petitioner file a comprehensive affidavit relating to the status of those cases. Put up this matter. Put a saptah for a occasion. Yes, next.
Item number 5.
This petitioner is also there in that other 2 cases.
My lords, in 52 and 54, my lords.
52 and 54.
Same order kar debe. 52 and out of
54, my lords. 54.
এটা তো একা সঙ্গে রাশি ওগুলি করে দেবে উইথ সেই কিনা আছে আচ্ছা ওকে নেক্সট
I'm grateful, my lords.
Item number
5.
5. Mr. Pushpalatan, not there. You have received the case diary?
Yes, 376.
None appears for the petitioner on repeated call, and counsel for the state submits that he has received the case diary. Case is adjourned. Yes, next.
Item number 6.
6 million that petitioner is in custody since 23/9/2024, my lord. And the 4 person was on spot, my lord.
23/9/24.
Right.
Yes.
That from the spot, that 4 person was there, my lord, and they confessed that they are selling that syrup, my lord, to the petitioner, and the others name is there, my lord.
You are there at that spot. You are found at that spot.
No, my lord. 4 persons found there on the spot, my lord. From their possession.
What is the name of those 4 persons?
My lord.
Where it is mentioned?
Page 21.
Page
para,
21.
Para 5.
Just a minute. Para 5. Yes.
The conscious possession accused person, namely Nabin Puri, Mohan Meher, Vasudev Nag, Para 5, page 21.
Nabin Puri.
Mohan Meher, Vasudev Nag, Prabhu Rana.
Where is it? Okay. You have given the yellow color. Yes. Yes. Nabin Puri, Mohan Meher, Vasudev Nag, and Prafula Rana. He is not the petitioner here.
No, my
Petitioner is one Ratnamani Nag. Is a lady or what?
No, my lord.
Ratnamani. Acha, okay. Then what happened?
They confessed that they are selling that syrups to the other name, my name and others' name was there.
That
I am
is how-
added as a drug peddler.
Okay. So you were arrested on the basis of the confessional statement of co-accused. Then when you were arrested, what was seized from your possession?
Nothing was seized, man.
That information we have to collect. CD is not there.
Para?
And that part has not indicated in the rejection order.
I have mentioned in that
Or antecedent. Two
Alright,
things.
The Land and Council for the State submits that though rejection order indicates that the petitioner's implication is based on confessional statement of 4 co-accused persons, but he is not having the case diary to verify what was found from the position of the petitioner when he was arrested, and also to obtain instruction regarding the criminal antecedents, if any, against the petitioner. Allah, list this matter in the week commencing, give a date after 1 week.
And other matters, these matters are posted on 17/12, my lord.
Acha, can you give those numbers?
My lord.
Give it in a sleep. Land counsel for the petitioner submits that this matter, that similar matters are sub judice before this court in Yodaga Dedeve. List this matter along with same matters.
କେତେ ନମ୍ବରଟା
ସେଥିରେ ଦେଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତା ଦେହରେ କାଳେ କେସ୍ ଡାଏରୀ ଆସିଯାଇଥିବ କାରଣ ସେଗୁଡ଼ା ଆଗରୁ ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଛି। ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 51.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, the offense
earlier disposed of. Office किसी point out करनी, madam, have you got the copy of the order with
No,
you?
no, ma'am.
Then how do you say so?
Rejected number is my love
BLFL 6266 of 2024 ଗୋଟେ indicate କରିଛନ୍ତି certificate ରେ
Certificate रे
test 2
এটা কাହାର case? 6266. Have you got a copy of that order with you?
No, ma'am.
6266 बाहर करो. PLAPL. Uh, 6266. 2024. सचिन प्रधान. ओपन करो. KCC case number 11 of 24. Right. The London Council for the petitioner submits that the petitioner earlier approved this court in PLAPL number 6266 of 2024, which was disposed of by Honorable Justice S.S. Misra as per order dated 27/9/24. Scroll down, scroll down. Auri. Put up this matter along with BLAPL number 6266 of 2024 before the appropriate bench with the approval of the Honorable Chief Justice. ऊपर लिखी हुई है, नहीं था तले लिखूंगा. In the data which is furnished by the registry, it appears that the earlier case number has not been mentioned. An explanation shall be called for from the person who has made the relevant entry. And the matter shall be taken up by the RG on the administrative side. Yes, next.
Item 61.
May I please, Your Lordship, kindly allow me to argue this matter on behalf of Sarthi Joki Mahan.
AC of Swansu Police Station, Bargad Rural Police Station for its service. Yes.
Oblige me.
Item 62.
Option under section 408 IPC
69 or 61?
62.
এটা जो 60 টা কোন হলো? Yes, 62.
Offense under section 408 of IPC. Petitioner is in custody since 25th October 2024. Allegation is that he was
483.
408. 7 years. Next. Will be registered under new act 316 4 have
483 of BNSS.
No, this is 408 of IPC.
No, ଆପଣ ଏଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ନା. ଆଚ୍ଛା.
Oh yes, 48. 480 ଟଙ୍କା right.
ହଁ ଏଇଟା କଣ ଅଫେନ୍ସ କଣ ହେଇଛି ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର କଣ ହେଇଛି ଅଫେନ୍ସ 408 ରେ ହେଇଛି ସାର୍
408
408 ରେ କେମିତି ହବ
408 ଟା ହବ ନା 316 4
ଏଇଟା
ହବ
ପରା ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର ହଉଛି 25/10/2024 ରେ ଆଉ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଆଇପିସି ଅଫେନ୍ସ ରେ କେମିତି ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର
ସେ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର କରିଛନ୍ତି
କିଏ ସେ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର କଲା କୋଉ ଆଇଏସି
କଣ୍ଟାବାଞ୍ଜି ଆଇଏସ୍
କଣ୍ଟାବାଞ୍ଜି
ଆଇସି କଣ୍ଟାବାଞ୍ଜି
ତାକୁ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି କି ନୂଆ ବହି ଗୁଡାକ ସବୁ ହଁ 408 ଆଇପିସି ରେ କେମିତି ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର କଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ କେସ୍ ଡାଏରୀ ଅଛି
କେତେ ଆସିଛି
316 surplus per
ଏଫଆଇଆର କପି ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଏଫଆଇଆର ବି ସେ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର କରିଛି 408 ରେ
yes
ये लॉन्च पर नो पर्सनल अपीयरेंस तो कौन वर्चुअल मोड है
मैडम
आफ्टर लॉन्च टेकअप
मैडम କଣ୍ଟାବାଞ୍ଜି ବଲାଙ୍ଗୀର
Beg pardon, my lord. Beg pardon, my lord. Item 5. I have already appeared in this case in the first week of January. Our name has not been reflected. For that reason, it was non-appeared. I pray our name, Mr. Ramankan Patnaik and Associates. Our name may be reflected in the cause title, my lord, on the next.
Item number 5 की dictation में जी it is stated non-appear से ये चला बेटा काटी देवे it is stated at the bar that Mr. Ramanikant Patnaik and his associates have filed power for the petition and stop the registry shall place the V number on record and the name of the Mr. Patnaik and his associates shall be reflected in the court list. Okay.
My lord directed the IAC Kontabanji to remain virtually. I contacted. Now he is at a accident spot. Due to an accident, he is at that spot. With much difficulty, I could able to contact her. She stated her problem that due to network problem, he is at spot cannot it is not possible to join. But he stated that the occurrence was before July. Therefore, during training, it was instructed them to register the case under IPC. Occurrence that is মানে 11/4/2024 ପୂର୍ବର occurrence. FR 25/10.
No, the date of registration of the FIR is relevant, not the when the occurrence took place. If you are reporting at a particular point of time, so the earlier act is not there. So how can you register the under the earlier act?
She stated that if your lordship, then he will.
No, we cannot say we have to say
କାଲି ସେ ଜଏନ୍ କରିବେ ଆଜି ସ୍ପଟରେ ଅଛି ଗୋଟେ ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି
So, what is this matter?
And here, depends on section 408 of IPC. The petitioner was serving as in the garment shop of the informant. The allegation is that from 2019, there was fall in decrease of profit. So subsequently, the informant verified and found that the petitioner, after selling the garments, issued the invoice and subsequently he deleted from the system. And by this process, he has misappropriated the amount.
What is the amount involved?
MRP amount is 31 lakhs 48,000 and net amount is 28 lakhs 33,000. This is the allegation.
Are the land counsel for the petitioner, land counsel for the state?
It is signed in custody since.
Considering the submission made by the land counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 25/10/24 and the offence is triable by magistrate, investigation has made substantial progress. After hearing the land counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner and bail allowed.
Item 63.
May I please, my lord? That is offence under section 376 to F bracketed N 376 AB.
Case diary?
No, my lord. Notice, my lord. In this case, notice required notice.
376 AB.
AB,
the offence. So,
F and N.
Notice is to be issued, extra copy to be served on the land counsel for the state. He has to produce the case diary 164 and medical examination report.
My lord.
Item 64.
May I please, your lordship? An offence under section 302 34 IPC.
You are having the case diary with you?
No, my lord.
Petitioner is in custody since 25/6 to.
Let the case diary come first time it is done. Yes.
Item 65.
May I please, your lordship? My petition is implicated under section 303 BNS Act corresponding to 379 of IPC, my lord. 379 IPC, my lord. 79 IPC.
79
IPC.
(303)
My lord. Of BNS Act.
(303) Theft.
My lord.
Okay. So,
I have read with section 46(27)(1)(b) of the Forest Act, Orissa Forest Act, and under Rule 21 of Orissa Forest Timber Transit Rules, my lord.
so you are committing theft of Kendu logs.
Kendu and Khaira wooden logs, my lord,
Yes.
carrying in the truck, my lord.
Transporting the same to Raipur.
Transporting to the near Contamanji, I was
Since when you are in custody?
9/10/2024, my lord.
Or the land counsel for the petition, land counsel for the state. Considering the submission made by land counsel for the petition that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 9/10/24 and the stolen property has already been recovered and investigation has made substantial progress. After hearing the land counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Item 66.
The petitioner is a government employee in custody since 1/11/2024 in a DA case. 123% DA. And initially a trap was laid, and he was taken to custody, released on bail. Subsequent followed with that.
What is his present?
He is now under suspension.
He was the ex-PEO.
PEO, Panchayat Executive Officer. Panchayat Executive Officer.
Panchayat Executive Officer.
Around 1 month in custody.
First trap, thereafter DA.
First
trap.
Trap
रे जो
Trap पर DA.
Trap रे कौन है जी bail हिला?
हाँ. DA.
54 lakhs ना.
68 lakhs.
68 lakhs.
68 lakhs. 6,278.80. In the FIR, it has been clearly mentioned.
2001 भीतर है.
2001.
2001.
Or the learned counsel for the petitioner. Learned senior counsel.
No, Sanjay Kumar, standing counsel.
Sanjay Kumar Das, standing counsel. That panel has remained unchanged.
We are under the GA department.
No. I just so the learned counsel who were there earlier in that panel, everybody is there or any?
Everybody. Only Pani Babu and Josna Tripathi, they were terminated last year, April and June.
No, I think Tripathi is now in government panel. That
no, Josna Tripathi is not government.
What is that?
And Pani Babu, April.
Achha.
2 poster lying vacant.
Right. That the petitioner, who was the ex-PEO of Koniguma GP under TH Rampur block, in the district of Kalahandi, who is now under suspension and attached to the office of Sub-Collector Kalahandi, is in judicial custody since 1/11/2024. It is submitted that a trap case was instituted against the petitioner, in which he has already been released on bail, and thereafter the present disproportionate case has been instituted. Land Council further submits that the investigation has progressed a lot and there is no chance of absconding of the petitioner. And the petitioner was in service from 2012-2001 till the date of draft. Therefore, the bail application may be favorably considered. Learned counsel for the standing counsel for the vigilance department has produced the written instruction received from the DSP vigilance Bhavani Patna, dated 14/11/2024, which is taken on record. Considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the respective parties, the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, the progress of the investigation, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall cooperate with investigation and appear before the IO as and when required, and shall not try to tamper with the evidence. Violation of any terms and condition shall entail cancellation of bail.
A copy of the order. I may be pardoned, my lord. Before your lordship, one item has come 146 for modification. No copy has been served.
The council is not.
No, I am submitting. I will go to number 15.
Cannot go to 136 today. It may be taken up tomorrow because the wherever will go, the rest matter will be tomorrow. There is court. So
yes. I will be in another court, so
no, will not reach there. Will not reach there. So I will not reach there. So yes, next.
May I please?
My lord, the petitioner is the first offender who has been languishing in jail custody since 30th October 2024 for alleged commission of offence punishable under section 21B of NDPS Act, my lord. FIR has been registered against two, my lord.
30 October 24.
30th October 2024.
Yes.
And the FIR has been registered against one Pradeep Kumar Misra and Niranjana Khattai. And as per prosecution case, my lord, 10 grams of brown sugar is alleged to have been seized.
Just 67.
Well, as per
What is the
prosecution,
quantity?
10 grams of brown sugar is alleged to have been seized from one Pradeep Kumar Misra. But I am for Niranjan Khattai. And that is clear.
How you are there?
My lord, I was sitting in a auto and that Pradeep Kumar was
same vehicle you are there.
Kindly have a glance. Annexure 1, my lord, page 12, my lord. 12 lines after from the top.
10 grams.
10 grams.
से बैंड कहीं आपण ये करना आपण कोन बैंड मिलुनी ना ए टाइप रो गोटे मोचा कोचा आइची आपण हाई कोर्ट रे प्रैक्टिस करछन ए टाइप रो बैंड केम थिंकन हां चेंज करिवे आज जाई के हला टू रिप्लेस इट विथ न्यू बैंड हला so maintain the decorum, sir.
Sorry, man.
Or the land and counsel for the petitioner, land counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the land counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 30/10/2024 and the quantity of brown sugar seized is 10 grams, which is lesser than commercial quantity, and therefore bar under section 37 is not applicable. And investigation has made substantial progress. And after hearing the land counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Item 68.
8, may I please, your lordship? My lord, the petitioner has been remanded in this case, my lord, on 29/5/2024, my lord. I have made a wrong typographical error, my lord. I have mentioned as 7/6/2024. That has to be 29/5/2024, my lord. Remand date.
392.
My lord, 392 and 34 of IPC, my lord. As per the allegation from the informant and his co-employee, 99,665 rupees has been snatched, my lord.
Are the land counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the land counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 29/5/2024 and he has been charge sheeted under section 392/34 of the Indian Penal Code, which is triable by magistrate. And after hearing the land counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Obliged.
Item 69.
20B2C of NDPS Act.
Commercial quantity.
My lord.
You are found in the vehicle.
Yes, my lord.
So what can be done?
CTB.
You are not having the case diary.
No, my lord.
Land counsel for the state submits that he is not having the case diary, and he may also be given some time to obtain the instruction regarding criminal antecedent. This matter urgent.
Item 70.
May I please, your lord? 52A Orissa Excise Act, my lord. 650 liter of ID liquor has been seized from the house of the petitioner. Custody since 27/10/24, my lord.
Land counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 27/10/2024. Investigation has made substantial progress. Offence is triable by magistrate. And therefore, the bail application may be favorably considered. Land counsel for the state oppose the prayer for bail. Considering the submission, nature of accusation, period of detention in judicial custody, and since the offence is triable by magistrate, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Okay.
Item 71.
Mr. Mahanti, learning counsel for the petitioner, 6 for an adjournment. Please this matter. Yes.
Item 72.
Next to Paso.
Item 73.
73, the petitioner released an interim bail. Thereafter, file extension or the petitioner released an interim bail. If the file IA for extension, the interim period time gala surrender certificate देना.
Picture से ना है Paso.
Item 74.
May I please, Madam? Extension of interim bail, madam.
Yes. You are granted interim bail for.
His mother is ill, madam, admitted in medical, madam.
You surrender, then again apply for bail.
Madam, time है 11 तारीख में last date अछि. December 11.
I am not inclined to extend. Dismissed next.
Madam, at least 15 days, madam.
Sorry. Yeah.
Item 75.
May I please? And 302 and other offences are there, my lord. My lord, there is no name in the FIR, my lord, the petitioner, my lord.
Offense 302.
My lord.
Yes. Why anticipatory value?
Well, there is no name in the FIR as well as the preliminary charge sheet has been filed, my lord.
Surrender and move bail.
My lord, in the meantime, all
302 Indian Penal. I am not inclined to release the petitioner on bail. Petitioner is at liberty to surrender in the court below and move for bail. Them shall be disposed of in the first hour in order to enable the petitioner to move the higher forum on the same day. Case records shall be made available for disposal of the bail application. He who accused bail agent.
all accused by the bail agent.
Accused persons have been released on bail. Claim of parity shall be taken into account while considering the application for bail. Yes.
After preliminary charge sheet, 5 accused men, all are released on bail, my lord.
Item 76.
76, turn to 302.
May please, your lordship, my lord. The initially case was registered under section 506 and then converted to 302, my lord. Your lordship, kindly see page 10. All the alleged accused persons granted bail, my lord.
You also will be released on bail. Surrender. Same order. Surrender.
Specific allegation against Premananda Kandi.
All right. Move for bail. Same day disposal and the claim of parity shall be taken. Yes, next.
Item 77.
That's why item 77 kindly taken over to accept.
You have got the case diary?
No.
Acha.
487 pages.
Learned counsel for the state also submits that he is not having the case diary. Adjourn for 2 weeks, man. Date the case. Okay.
Item 78.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, 20B2C of the NDPS Act along with 302 of the Indian Penal Code, my lord. In between, my lord, your lordship had granted all the accused persons, some of the accused persons on bail, my lord, on the ground of delay in concluding the trial.
Received the case diary?
Not case diary received. 1970 page. My lord, total today, item 78, 86.
Yeah, just a minute. 78 then?
81, 86.
81.
82.
82.
86.
86.
And 87, man.
87. These are the connected matters. And the Learned Counsel for the state seeks some time to obtain the case diary. Learned Counsel for the petitioner submitted that some of the co-accused persons have already been released on bail. Let him supply the bail order copies to the Learned Counsel for the state for verifying the claim of parity. This matter go to saptah for order pass karibe, it will come along with so and so on. Next.
Oblige.
Item 79.
Mr. Patnaik.
My lord, the allegation under section 302, 326, 325, 307.
Okay.
My lord.
Just a minute. 79. You are in custody since when?
My lord, custody since 17/12/2023. My lord.
17/12/2023.
My lord.
And you have been charge sheeted on the section?
Say एका दफा
माने कौन?
302, 326, 326,
Yes.
325, 307,
325, then
307, 294, 506, 354,
354.
34 of IPC.
What is the name of the deceased?
Name of the Ambapita Subodho Padhi.
Huh?
Subodho Padhi.
Who is injured?
Injured is the mother of the Mudala Surapadi, Tapurapadi. Mother of the Panchali Padhi. Panchali Padhi.
Date of occurrence?
Date of occurrence, my lord. 28/7/2013.
So you are an absconder for 10 years?
Yes. My lord, the principal acquired to the Gagan Padhi, whose assault the deceased who had died, he has been released on bail by this honorable court.
You place that statement of that Panchali.
Hey, I may be excused, my lord. This is not readable. It is not readable. सब जेरस ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ସବୁ କଳାରେ ଛପା it is not readable. Answer 3, my lord.
କଳା ଗୁଡା ତାଙ୍କୁ କେମିତି ଦେଲେ ସେ କେମିତି ପଢିବେ?
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସେଟା ସିଡି ରେ ଆସିଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ସବୁ ଯାକ ସେ କଳା ସବୁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସବୁ
କେସ୍ ଡାଏରୀ ପାଇନାହାନ୍ତି?
ହଁ କେସ୍ ଡାଏରୀ ଆସିଛି କେବଳ ଛପେଇକି ସବୁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉ ଜେରକ୍ସ କରି ବୋଥ ସାଇଡ ଇଜ ନଟ୍ ରିଡେବଲ୍ ଆଟ୍ ଅଲ୍।
ଲେଜିବୁଲ କପି ଅଛି କେସ୍ ଡାଏରୀର?
କେସ୍ ଡାଏରୀ ନାହିଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଯୋଉ ସାକ୍ଷୀ ଦେଇଥିଲେ
ଆସୁ ଆସୁ the Learned Counsel for the state submits that the case diary which he has received is not legible and matter may be taken off some other day. Please, this matter date go to the event. Yes, ma'am.
Item 80.
List offense 498.
offences under section my lord 302 and 34 of IPC my lord.
Wait. Is diary available?
My lord.
Yes.
My lord is a custody since
Just a
6.
minute.
Yes, my lord.
Minus 83. Available. Yes. So what is the date of custody?
18/1/2018.
2018.
18, my lord. Last 6 years he is in custody, my lord.
So you have not released on bail?
No, my lord. No, my lord. The co-accused person released on bail, my lord.
For the first time?
Yes, my lord.
Approaching this court. Then what is this 2670?
That is, my lord, the father, my lord, co-accused.
The present accused, the main accused, my lord.
So it's all right, but the custody date, what he says?
18/1/2018, my lord.
Kotua. Surrendered before the SDGM Jagasimpur 18/2018.
Page 28, my lord, granted bail to the one of the co-accused, his father, on the ground of delay, my lord. Out of 27 witness, my lord, only 19 witness still did examine, my lord. In my lord, rejection, my lord. In the rejection, my lord, page 26, my lord. Last paragraph, my lord. The only change in substance would be the motion in that the intention since the 2/11/2020 is examined PW 15 to 19 on behalf of the prosecution. The similar ground, my lord, has granted.
Yes, what do you say?
So far the FIR is concerned, the present accused person assaulted by means of a knife.
You are appearing for whom?
In front, my lord. My lord, he is the principal accused on whose assault the deceased died, my lord. ତତ୍କ୍ଷଣାତ୍ ପ୍ରକାଶ ଖଟୁଆ ସେ ଲୁଚେଇ ରଖିଥିବା ଛୁରୀ ବାହାର କରି ମୋ ମାମୁର ପେଟକୁ ଜୋରରେ ଛୁରୀରେ ଆଘାତ କଲା।
Or the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state, learned counsel learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 18/1/2018 and till date the prosecution case is not closed and similarly situated co-accused has been directed to be released on bail. Similarly situated co-accused, namely Gajendra Khatua, has been directed to be released on bail in BLAPL number 11298 of 2019 as per order dated 8/10/2021, and therefore the bail application of the petitioner may be favorably considered. Learned counsel for the state as well as learned counsel for the informant opposed the prayer for bail and submitted that the petitioner is the main accused and it is on account of the fatal blow given by the petitioner the deceased died. Eyewitnesses are Chandi.
Yes,
and there are eyewitnesses to the occurrence. Considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the respective parties, the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, and the slow progress of the trial, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail. Allowed, he shall appear before the learned trial court on each date when the case will be posted for trial and shall not try to tamper with the evidence. Violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of bail. Allowed.
Grateful, my lord. Much obliged.
Item 84.
84, may please proceed, my lord. Earlier, the petition bill was disposed by Honorable Justice A.K. Mahapatra. I have taken
Then petition or implicated case under section.
Just a minute. You have got the case diary?
My lord,
Okay. 2020. So, what is the date of custody?
4/1/2024, my lord.
And what are the offenses?
302, 307, 34 IPC.
302, 307, 34 IPC.
And 25, 27 Arms Act.
25 and 27 Arms Act. This is the charge sheet offenses.
Yes, my lord.
So, what are the materials against you?
The prosecution allegation in brief is that, my lord.
What is the name of the deceased?
This is Shahnaz Khan, my lord. Shahawaz Khan.
Shahawaz.
Yes.
W-A-Z.
W-A-Z.
Khan.
Khan.
Okay, 307, somebody is in you.
Yes, ma'am.
What is his name?
Wajid Khan.
So, what Wajid Khan has stated against the petitioner?
That is the I have annexed, my lord.
Annexed.
Yes, madam. As the annexation number 3, my lord.
The position he has already been examined.
Examined, ma'am.
So, please place what is the relevant part?
That is
Manu Khan.
yes, ma'am. That is cross examination.
Chief cross examination. Come to the chief examination.
Yes, ma'am.
Read paragraph number 3.
3. We the two brothers also a pesticide shop at Owl Bazaar since the year 1980, my lord. On the evening of 24/5/2010, while I, along with my nephew Shahnaz, was our pesticide shop, accused Munna alias S.K. Kadir.
This is the petition.
No, my lord. Munna alias S.K. Kadir is the
Right.
petitioner. Munna alias S.K. Rahman, petitioner, my lord. Kadiri, S.K. Sani, S.K. Saul, S.K. Raja, and S.K. Manu, the petitioner, my lord. S.K. Manu reached there and fired at us forfeited to meet their demand of 5 lakhs. They shot 3 to 4 rounds at us. One bullet hit Shahnaz and on his right side of his chest. I was also hit on my right side of chest by bullet just below the right arm. All of them, after firing us, escaped from the spot. We had profusely bleeding and fell down. My nephew instantly fell down senseless. We both were taken to our hospital, whereas we referred to SCB Medical Kotak, and finally were taken at Calling Hospital, Bhubaneswar. We both the injured persons underwent treatment at Calling Hospital, where my nephew son was expired on 26/5/2010. I was discharged from the hospital on the same day.
Cross examination
Paragraph number 6, ma'am. It is also a fact that I had not stated before police that Munna alias S.K. Rahman had fired at us.
fire you are a member of the unlawful assembly.
Yes, madam.
And one of them fired gunshot at the deceased. And how many cases are there against you?
No, madam. No, madam. And on self-examination, 80 persons was acquitted, my lord. That is mentioned in page number 8 under annex number 1. Investigation of
an absconder for 14
years, my lord.
So, ଯଦି ପୁଣି ପଳେଇବେ ସେଇଟା ହଉଛି କଥା ତେଣୁ we have to see that the trial is concluded at an earliest, and if the others have been acquitted, we may also get the benefit. But here's what you say.
So, but the FIR is confirmed, my lord. Sanu bhai voice ka
24/5/2010 ଅପରାହ୍ନ 5:30 ସମୟରେ ମୁଁ ଓ ମୋର ସାନ ଭାଇ ୱାଇଜ ଖାଁ ଆସି ବଜାରରେ ଥିବା ଦୋକାନ ଖୋଲିଥିବା କିଛି ସମୟ ପରେ ହଠାତ୍ ଗୋଟିଏ ଆପାଚି ମୋଟରସାଇକେଲରେ 2 ଜଣ ଟୋକା ଆସି ମୋର ଭାଇଙ୍କ ଦୋକାନ ଆଗରେ ରଖିଲେ। ମୋଟରସାଇକେଲ ଉପରେ ଅଛି ଓ ଅନ୍ୟ ଜଣେ ଆସି ପ୍ରଥମେ ମୋ ପୁତୁରା ସନୱାଜ ଖାଁଙ୍କୁ 3 ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଗୁଳି କଲା। ତାପରେ ମୋର ସାନ ଭାଇ ୱାଇଜ ଖାଁଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟିଏ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଗୁଳି କଲା। ହଠାତ୍ 2 ଜଣ ଦୋକାନ ଭିତରେ ଅଚେତ ହୋଇ ପଡିଗଲେ। ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଲି ଏବଂ 2 ଜଣଙ୍କ ନିଆଳି ହାତ ଗାଡି ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରି ପଳେଇଲେ।
କିଏ କଲା?
2 ଜଣ ପିଲା ଆସି।
କିଏ ସେ 2 ଜଣ?
ସ୍ପେସିଫିକ
କେମିତି ପାଇଲେ ଆପଣ? FIR has been lodged against unknown person. So how do you subsequently establish the complicity of this petitioner in the alleged crime? Injured statement देखना है। अच्छी पढ़िले आंसर टा देख पार ना। Is there any criminal antecedents against the petitioner?
The petitioner surrendered on 4/1/2024, madam. They not arrested for surrender, madam.
Your bail application was rejected by this court on 5/10/24.
Yes, madam.
So why have you come here again? What is the change in the circumstances after 5/10/24 and today? Huh? Why are you not preparing yourself properly? ଜଣେ ଆସିଛି ତା ବେଲ୍ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ 5-10 ଅକ୍ଟୋବର ମାସରେ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି, ଆପଣ ସେଟା କହିବେନି? କଣ ମାଇଲଟ କଣ? ଆପଣ ଷ୍ଟେଟରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି, ଅପୋଜ କରିବେ ବେଲ୍, କିଛି କହିବେନି? ମୁହଁ ନ ଖୋଲିଲେ କେମିତି ହବ? ଯାହାହେଲେ କିଛି କୁହନ୍ତୁ। The petitioner and counsel for the state, it appears that the petitioner's bail application in BLAPL number 1128 of 24 was rejected as per order dated 5/10/2024. There is no change in the circumstances, therefore I am not inclined to reconsider the prayer for bail. Accordingly, the bail application stands rejected. Yes. You see how you are preparing, not only others are watching, but your AG is also watching. Just keep it in mind.
Madam.
Yes.
Item 86.
86, 87 से तासे आंजियो, तापरे 88 तक.
Item 88.
May I please notice? 302 case date not there.
And counsel for the state submits that he is not having the case diary. Some time may be granted. Put up this matter, give it a yes.
I'm supplying the co-accused order in order to enable.
And counsel for the petitioner supplied the bail order of the co-accused. After receiving the case diary, the land counsel for the petitioner state shall examine the claim of priority.
Item 89.
This is the fifth bail application before this honorable court. The last 3 applications are the honorable court directed for interim bail, my lord.
When last time you were granted interim bail?
On the last application, bail application 10057 on dated 26/7/24, my lord.
Already obtained about the conduct, the learned counsel for the state submits that the petitioner has been granted interim bail on some occasion, and Last time he was granted interim bail for a period of
3 months.
3 months in BLAPL number 10057 of 23 as per order dated 26/7/2024. And after availing the same, you surrender at right time.
Yes, my lord.
Right time. The Learned Counsel for the state, you are having the case diary?
No matter.
Submits that he is not having the case diary and he may be given some time to obtain the same. Stop. Let the Learned Counsel for the state also obtain instruction regarding the conduct of the petitioner during the interim bail period. In the meantime, the status report we obtained and for such purpose file be placed before the Learned registered judicial. Yes.
In this case, 16 number of witnesses are already been examined.
Status report asu jana padiyo.
Deposition copy already filed in previous bail application. My lord.
Yes.
Item 90.
On behalf of S.K. Sahoo, I am allowed to.
Yes.
Co-accused bail applications, anticipatory bail application, co-accused bail applications, or lordship disposed of, had order dated 30th March 2022 in ABLAPL number 2049 of 2022. 307, my lord, page 2 of the order, my lord, can have a glance. Your lordship granted bail to petition number 3 therein in Ranjit Pallai and rejected the prayer of the bail of petitioners number 1, 2 and 4 because they got criminal antecedents. And here, my lord, petitioners are the two ladies. They stand in similar footing with that Ranjit, my lord. Injuries were simple.
Yes, Mr.
My lord.
Are the Learned Counsel for the petitioners, Learned Counsel for the state. Learned Counsel for the petitioners submitted that the petitioners are ladies and the three injured persons in this case, there are three injured persons in this case and injured Lakshman Barik and Surendra Barik have sustained simple injuries, whereas one Kumari Barik was sustained stab injury has been referred to MKCG Medical College and Hospital, Berhampur. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner submitted that one Ranjit Palai alias Palai alias Jogu Palai approached this court along with other accused persons for anticipatory bail in ABLAPL number 2049 of 2022. And while the anticipatory bail application of the co-accused persons was rejected on the ground that they were having a criminal antecedent, the bail application of Ranjit Palai alias Jogu Palai has been allowed, and the petitioner is similarly situated like the said co-accused who has been granted anticipatory bail. Learned Counsel for the state does not dispute that the petitioners are similarly situated.
But criminal incident is not verified, subject to verification.
Considering the submission made by the Learned Counsel for the respective parties, the nature of accusation against the petitioners, the release of the co-accused on anticipatory bail, and keeping in view the proviso to section 437 1 CRPC, I am inclined to release the petitioner on anticipatory bail allowed.
Item 91.
I pray 1 week time, your lordship. I pray for 1 week time, 91.
CD available?
This is a opioid matter I have already.
Where is Mr. Patro or Mr. Bhuya?
You
have given the
I have taken consent from Mr. J.P. Patra.
All right. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner seeks for an adjournment and submits that since this matter arises out of an offense under OPID Act, and he has given the copy of the bail application to Mr. Vivekanand Bhuya and Mr. J.P. Patra, Learned Counsel who used to appear for the state of Odisha in such matter, their names may be reflected in the cause list. List this matter in due commencing from such and such, indicating the names of so and so in the cause list. Yes.
Obliged.
Item 92.
92, Mr. Ranjan Kumar Pradhan. Mr. S.K.Sahoo. Case diary ଅଛି ତ ଏସବୁ? ହଁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
Pass over.
Item 94.
Pass over.
Item 95.
Abhas Mahanti.
Item 97.
May I please, my lord? May I please, my lord?
97.
My lord.
You have got the case.
On behalf of Mr. Amitabh Pradhan, my lord. Last
Case diary ଅଛି?
my lord, my lord.
Last occasion କଣ କହିଲେ?
Last week ମୁଁ appear କରିବି ବୋଲି ଆପଣ allow କରିଥିଲେ. It is a fourth journey of the petitioner, my lord.
Just a minute. 7/2/3/5/2024. Now, ଆପଣ ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି
fourth journey, my lord.
ତିନି ଥର ଯା କଣ ହେଇଛି?
ଦି ଥର interim bill ଦେଇଥିଲେ.
Last time କେବେ ଦିଆ ହେଇଥିଲା interim?
Last time annex of 4, my lord, that is by 22.
Annexure 4.
Annexure 4, my lord.
That is BLAPL number 10953.
My lord.
Of 21.
My
Order
lord.
dated 36/2020.
22, my lord.
You are granted interim bail for 3 months.
3 months, my lord.
Thereafter, you have you surrender at right time.
My lord.
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପୋଜିସନ କଣ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ କୋର୍ଟ?
ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ଆଜ୍ଞା 31 ଜଣ 23 ଜଣ ୱିଟନେସ୍ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି। 23 ଜଣ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ମାଇଲା।
କେତେ ଜଣରୁ?
23 ଜଣ 31 ଜଣରୁ 31
23
ଆଜ୍ଞା। I've deposited submitted the deposition copy, my lord. No matters found from the any of the deposition. The 11 charge sheet file and against 11 accused person.
ଯୋଉ deposition ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆପଣ ନାଁରେ କେହି କିଛି କହିନାହାନ୍ତି ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ?
କେହି କିଛି କହିନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା।
Mr. Pradhan, have you verified those?
I am not verified, my lord.
So that is there in Annexure 5 series. You go through it. He says that nobody has stated. We take up this matter tomorrow.
My lord,
right?
My lord.
ସେ ଖାଲି ଭି ନାମଟା ରଖି ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତୁ ବୁଝିଲେ ରଖିଦେଇଥାନ୍ତୁ କାଲି ତ ଆସିବ ସେଟା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ 500 ବର୍ଷ ଡାକି ପାସ ଯୋଉଟା ଡାକିବ ଏଥିରେ ଦେଖେଇବ ଡିସପ୍ଲେ ବୋର୍ଡରେ
Passover item number 56.
May I please? On behalf of Mrs. DV, offense under section 350, offense under section 351(2) and 351(3) and 35 of BNS Act and 25 of Arms Act. Custody since Lordship 11/9/2024.
11/9/2024.
Lordship. One handmade gone.
Wait. On the offense. 351. 351 is assault. 351
criminal intimidation.
Criminal intimidation. 506 of IPC.
BNS
351 of
BNS.
351 1.
Just
351 2 and 3.
351
2 and 3 506.
Criminal intimidation 506.
506 of
और
IPC.
25 Arms Act.
Lordship.
कौन कले अपन?
बंधु गोटे हाथ
allegation that while entering into the wildlife they have chased by and they have threatened by showing the guns.
Third, the Land Council for the petitioner, Land Council for the state, considering the submission
Habitual
made
posture
by
also.
the Land Council for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since petitioners in judicial custody since 11/9/2024. Charge sheet helani? Investigation has made substantial progress and taking into account the nature of accusation and after hearing the Land Council for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioners on bail allowed.
The condition that not to involve because the habitual posture.
This is item number 56. 56 BLAPL number 11334 of 24. Land Council, the petitioner shall not indulge in any criminal activities and shall appear before the Land Trial Court on each date when the case should be posted for trial. Violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of bail. Yes.
Oblige.
Item 72.
72 Mr. Suresh Kumar Panda. Non appears on repeated call adjourn.
Item 73.
11/11 ରେ ମଧ୍ୟ absent ଥିଲେ।
Huh?
11/11 last date was posted 11/11.
73 Aditi Hota not there. Non appears
The petitioner released on bail.
Huda.
A case interim bail thereafter.
Acha. Non appears on repeated call. After period the IA for extension of interim bail, I am not inclined to extend the interim bail period. Stands dismissed. Next.
Item 92.
92 Mr. Ranjan.
antecedent ଆସିନି ସମ୍ଭବ
ଆର୍ଜନ କରିବ ସବୁ 2 ସପ୍ତାହ ପରେ ଆସିବ ତା ଭିତରେ ନେଇ ଆସିବେ ଏଠି ଲେଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଖାଲି ଆଡ୍ କରି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ non appears for the petitioner on repeated call learn and counsel for the state submit that he is yet to receive case diary ashi
case diary
though he has received the case diary but he is yet to receive the criminal antecedent instruction regarding criminal antecedent list this matter 2 ସପ୍ତାହ ପରେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଡେଟ୍ ଦେଇ ପକେଇ ଦେବ yes
Item 93.
Mr. S.K.Sahoo. Okay, seମିତି non appears କରି repeated call କରି adjourn କରି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
Item 94.
94 Kishore Kumar Mishra P. Roy. Non appears अच्छा आदि एई गुडा सब जो adjourn होची एटा स्टेट कर पाखे CD अछि बेली लिख देबे ए जो अशोक साहू तापर वर्तमान हला किशोर मिश्र ए सब CD अवेलेबल एकदम पछियार थिली तो लिखि देबे non appears करी adjourn कर देबे yes next
Item 95.
same Avas Mahanti non appears on repeated call adjourn CD available कर दे हाँ ଆଉ କେତେଟା ମ୍ୟାଟର ରହିଲା କାଲିକି ନେଇ ଆସିବେ ଲିଷ୍ଟଟା ହେଲା ଯୋଉଗୁଡାକ ଆଉ ସେ ଯୋଉ ମିଷ୍ଟର ପଣ୍ଡାଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ମ୍ୟାଟରଟା ପାସ୍ ଓଭର ହେଇଛି 99 ସେଟା ବି ନେଇ ଆସିବେ ହେଲା
104 I have some difficulty tomorrow this Monday
କହିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଯୋଉଟା difficult
yes 104